How do planes fly? Hi, I'm Miss Amy, and today's fun fact topic is, how do airplanes fly?
Welcome to Fun Facts. We're bringing you real facts about real people, places, animals, and science every Monday and Wednesday.
Have you ever been on an airplane or looked up into the sky and seen one? Do you wonder how they get off the ground and fly? I did some research to find out why. To learn about how planes fly, let's investigate aerospace engineering. There are 4 forces to consider to make an airplane fly: lift, drag, thrust, and weight. Lift is the force that helps move the plane upward into the sky. The shape of an airplane with wings helps the force lift. Air travels around the wings in a way that helps lift the plane up into the sky. As the plane is moving forward, there is also the force of the drag pulling it backwards against the air, which is called friction. Without that friction, objects would never be able to stop moving, which is really important too. Thrust is the force that makes things zoom forward into the air. Planes use their engines to create this force. As air pushes out of the engine in one direction, the plane moves forward equally in the opposite direction. Weight is the force of gravity, or how heavy things are. That is what pulls things off the ground of Earth. You can test out forces that make planes fly at home by creating a paper airplane and soaring it through the sky. To learn more about airplanes, come visit us and check out some of these great books, like Let's Fly a Plane, or How Does a Jet Plane Work? Link below for more information about these books. Bye!